MARPOL, short for the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ship, is comprehensive set regulation aimed at preventing marine pollution from ship. It consists of 6 annexes, each addressing different types of pollution and their prevention measures. MARPOL Annex 1, Oil Pollution. This annex focuses on preventing pollution from oil and oily substances. It sets regulation for the prevention of oil pollution, including requirements of oil tankers, oil discharge criteria, and procedures for oil pollution incident. MARPOL Annex 2, Noxious Liquid Substances. Annex 2 addresses the control of pollution by noxious liquid substances. Created book, it set out criteria for categorizing noxious liquid substances and prescribed measures for their containment and handling. MARPOL Annex 3, Harmful Substances in Package Form. Annex 3 deals with the prevention of pollution by harmful substances carried in package form. It regulates the packaging, labeling, and storage of packaged harmful substances to prevent their accidental discharge into the sea. MARPOL Annex 4, Sewage Pollution. This annex focuses on preventing pollution from sewage discharged by ship. It sets a standard for the treatment and discharge of sewage to minimize its impact on marine ecosystem. Number 5, MARPOL Annex 5, Garbage Pollution. Annex 5 addresses the prevention of pollution garbage ship. It prohibits the disposal of certain types of garbage at sea and establish procedure for the management and disposal of ship-generated garbage. Last, MARPOL Annex 6, Air Pollution. Annex 6 aims to reduce air pollution from ship by setting limits on emission of sulfur oxide, SOx, nitrogen oxide, NOx, and other pollutants. It also mandates the use of emission control technologies and the adoption of energy efficiency measures to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Overall, MARPOL plays a crucial role in safeguarding the marine environment by regulating various sources of pollution from ships and promoting sustainable maritime practices.